Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MonsterInsights Google Optimize replacement, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to find new plugins. In the search bar, type MonsterInsights and hit enter. Locate the MonsterInsights plugin in the search results. Click on Install Now next to the MonsterInsights plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. After activation, you will see the MonsterInsights menu appear in your dashboard. Click on the MonsterInsights option to begin the configuration process. You will be prompted to connect your Google Analytics account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your Google account. Select the appropriate Google Analytics profile for your website. Once connected, configure the recommended settings for optimal performance. Next, scroll down to the Advanced Settings tab. In the Advanced Settings, find the option to enable Google Optimize. Toggle the setting to enable Google Optimize integration. Now, enter your Google Optimize container ID. You can find the container ID in your Google Optimize account. After entering the ID, click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. To finalize, return to your Google Optimize account. Set up your experiments as needed. Your MonsterInsights plugin now serves as a replacement for Google Optimize. This simple integration will help you track your experiments effectively. Remember to periodically check your analytics for insights. Enjoy streamlined tracking of your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.